I made $1,000 in 19 days with Excel and LinkedIn. Here is how. Sometimes last year, I had a full-time job and I was doing data analytics as a side hustle. Like I treated it as a side hustle at the time because I had a full-time job. So last year, I made a video that I posted to a group on LinkedIn. So someone returns to me, I think after 3 days. So when the person was actually talking, I didn't know the person was referring to that particular video. So the person was like, I saw your video on data cleaning. Can you do this job for me? More like the person pitched me. Do you know why? Because I put myself out there. So the person was like, can you do this job? Stuff like that. And that job is not the full data analytics or analyzing any data. It's just data cleaning. Though the data are chunks of data, like it's not just a data set, like a full like that. It's chunks of data sets, but there were many actually. So after the whole negotiation and everything, we rounded at 1,200. The job took me 19 days to complete because I was not doing it a full time. Like I said earlier, that was like a side hustle at the time. So I was paid $1,200 in 19 days for cleaning data. I'm not trying to say that 1,200 is everything. I'm not trying to say you cannot make 10,000 or like some people making 10,000, but I am trying to share my own personal experiences. And if you're a beginner or if you're someone that already has a full-time job, but you need something to do on the side, I believe that $1,200 in 19 days, and you can even get more than that. The fact that I got 1,200 does not mean you cannot get more than that. I know it's not very little for you. Okay, here is the thing. Put yourself out there or make use of LinkedIn. I don't know, but LinkedIn is underrated and some people do not use LinkedIn very well. I'll be honest with you. Everything you need is on LinkedIn. It is in there. Go there. Pitch clients. What these things do for you is that it builds your confidence, it builds your portfolio. The more projects you do, the better you get at it. So here is the thing. Even if you don't want to pitch clients and stuffs, you can go on LinkedIn. Put up the settings of the kind of job you want. As a beginner, you can put settings for entry level roles and stuff like that. You can actually put your settings to vetted jobs. And trust me, by the time you focus on applying to jobs that match your eligibility, trust me, in 1 month, you will land yourself a job. Even if it's not a full-time job, you can land yourself gigs. There are gigs out there. And as a beginner, you take it, even though you don't charge like $10,000, $5,000, even if it's $1,000, $2,000, pick those jobs. It will build your confidence, it will build your portfolio, and it will make you to only get better. It can only get better. The more projects you do, the better you get at it. And when I say I used Excel and LinkedIn, here is what I mean. Excel was the tool that I used for that particular job. I didn't make use of Power Query or Python for the data cleaning because the data was not just a large data set that Excel might struggle. No, there are chunks of data, even though it's not just a particular data, but Excel was perfect for the job. So I used my Excel. I used Excel and I earned that amount of money in 19 days. So that brings me to when I talk about as a data analyst, knowing all the tools, they are fantastic, it's great. But as well as you being very good as a particular tool, you can earn from it. You knowing how to use your Excel very well, you can make money off of it. Just put that particular skill that you have to good use and you're good. And along the line, you can decide to learn 10 other tools. You can decide to learn like Python, SQL, you can R. There are so many of them. You can decide to do that. But even if it's two that you know, be good at it and put yourself out there. Even if you don't want to pitch clients, apply apply. The more you apply, the more you land gigs, the more you land jobs, and you're good to go. Upwork is great for beginners. I'll be honest with you. Even though I know that you need to buy connect sometimes for some jobs, Fiverr is there also, but you can still use your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is underrated, and I'm telling you today, go to LinkedIn. Everything you need to land those gigs and those jobs are there on LinkedIn. You don't need to stress yourself. So this is me sharing with you how I made above $1,000 in 19 days using just Excel and LinkedIn. So if you're a beginner in data analytics and you need to land yourself a gig, you need to land yourself a job, you need to earn maybe as a side hustle, as a full-time hustle or whatever it is. Put yourself out there. Learn a particular tool. Be good at it. Then you can use LinkedIn. Leverage LinkedIn. LinkedIn is free. You don't need to pay to use it. So leverage LinkedIn and you'll find yourself that particular gig you're looking for. Until I see you next time. Bye.